Welcome back, everybody. I hope you've had a great week and full of lots of joyous moments. Today, we're going to talk a little about my favorite things about this year: cocoa and cookies. While I love all kinds of cookies, I'm going to share a special cocoa recipe that warms Santa's heart. This recipe was handed down by my Granny Claus. She was such a special lady. First, we will make the cocoa mix, and then we'll share a quick and easy do-it-yourself Christmas gift so you can share Granny Claus's special recipe with all of your loved ones. To start out, you will want a big bowl or a pan so you can mix everything into it. First, we need to mix one big bag of dry milk. Yes. Then, 1 cup of coffee creamer. We've got that as well. Then, we need 1 cup of powdered sugar. Yes, we've got our powdered sugar. There we go. We can't forget our 1 pound of Nestle's Quick. Nesquik, we got to make sure we have that. Yep. Now we've got that available as well. Then we need 1 cup of baking chocolate, just to make it extra chocolatey. You know how I like things very chocolatey. Gently mix all of these ingredients. Then use 1/4 cup of dried mix to an 8-ounce cup of hot water. And you can add some or take away some if you want it for a different taste. Time to sit back and enjoy. Now, for a quick Christmas present. You can make something as a gift. You can buy these little piping cups at any local store, okay? They put icing in them, I think. I'm not real sure. But we're going to put our mixture in it, and then we're going to add our marshmallows. Then you top it off with the chocolate chips. Once you get all that done, put down in that, you can twist the top, put a little ribbon around it, and there you have that perfect little gift that'll go along with your cookies. So now you have hot chocolate and cookies. Speaking of, if you don't mind, you can share your favorite cookies in the comment sections below. Merry Christmas, everyone.